Welcome to Once Upon a Pipe, my friends, on this beautiful Kentucky day where it's actually pretty chilly, windy, and rainy. So I'm inside sitting at the table and I received a package. And in this package is something that's very special to me. A while back, I may have done this video or a video about a special gift. It was something that was given to me by a friend whose uncle had passed away, and they had these pipes, and this pipe bowl with the inside is missing there. It should be a little humidor, but they gave me this set, and there were 7 pipes. I have 6 pipes here. The 7th pipe is in here.
Can I open it? Please.
What I need to do is tell you what happened. So with the 6 pipes that were there, I cleaned them, and there was a 7th pipe, and the stem actually broke inside the shank. So I had it sent to Walker Pipe Repair out of Ann Arbor, Michigan. And Mike Walker's the one that does the repair, and he does a phenomenal job. He has fixed several of my pipes, to include 2 or 3 Tim West pipes and some others. He just does excellent work. He communicates very well with his clients, and so I encourage you to look him up if you need any pipes repaired. He just does an incredible job. So inside here is a Savinelli pipe that belonged with this set of pipes that was given to me, and I thought it worthwhile to get this pipe repaired. So I just got this back, and let's take a look and see how it turned out.
Can I open it?
I don't know.
Come on, man. See, look.
Just open it just cut the tape.
Like on the bottom?
Joining me is my,
Or right here.
look, cut the tape like right on the bottom. Joining me is my son Dexter, who just recently celebrated a birthday. And so he is
It's like a week ago.
wanting to use his knife. We'll see how this goes. Careful.
Yeah.
While he's doing that, I am smoking, I believe it's a Morelli pipe, eBay find. Turns out this is an outstanding pipe. They are actually in Italy, so it took a little while to get here. But this is my little Devil Lance Cuddy, and is a really, really nice pipe. So let's see. Hey, Dexter, hey, I said you could open the box. Yeah, the kid's getting a little ambitious there. All right, herein is the pipe. Oh,
Can I see?
he has cleaned the pipe. Look at that gorgeous job he did on that. And my old stem was broken right inside here. I can't get without good light. Let me see if I've got a little flashlight, so if I can shine it in there. Maybe help you see the inside of this a little better.
Ow.
Nah, that light's too bright, isn't it? That's not gonna help you. Anyways, inside looks fantastic. What a great job he did on that.
Here's a stone. Here's another
This
one.
is, you can see what was broken in there.
Can I see?
So this is the original stem, and it was broken in there, so it should kind of fit together like that.
Oh, here it is.
What he did,
Here's this.
look at this. He made a new stem, and it, I don't know, let me, look at that. That just fits so nice. I mean, that is a perfect fit. Mike Walker, what is that dog doing?
He's
Austin,
trying to flip it over.
quit.
Stupid.
Got the knuckleheads back here. Hey, 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 hey. I'm not gonna give you a spanking.
Hey, Daddy. Look.
She wants to see. Oh, come on, quit shaking. Let me show you. See the knucklehead?
Oh, he gone.
That's one of them. That's not the one making all the problems. There she is. It's Osti. Okay, Osti. Go get your brother. Tell her to get some food up here. Dalton, that's why I'm setting the camera. You gotta get up.
Austin wants food. She's trying to flip over the bowl.
Ugh.
You got it. Here, Daddy, wait. Can I see this real quick?
No, you
I
can't
put
see it.
this on.
Not right now. It doesn't go on yet. So, this is I might need my light for this. All right, so this is a Savinelli Oscar 824 KS. Savinelli Oscar 824 KS. I don't know if that's going to focus on that or not. Look at that. Gorgeous job. What I like about the work that Mike does is that everything fits excellently. I like when things line up, right? When things are just, just fit. There's not a bump when you go across here. I mean, obviously you can tell where the stem is, but I like when the lines line up. I like that edge to be smooth. When I look down the pipe, I like to see this edge perfect. And the top, I like to be perfect. Everything matches perfectly. And that is just a sense of satisfaction. So definitely hats off to Mike at Walker Pipe Repair. They're located at 1210 Franklin Boulevard in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And if you need the website, let me put this up here. The website, and it'll be in the description below, was walkerpiperepair.com. Again, that's walkerpiperepair.com. Just did a fantastic job with that. And so I'm looking forward to enjoying this pipe. Well, that's all I've got for today. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and perhaps I'll do another video where I'm actually using this pipe. I don't have time to get it set up right now, and I definitely want to finish this bowl. By the way, this is Peter Stokeby's Navy Flake that I have in here today, and it just happens to be a blend that I found fitting for this kind of day that we're having here in Kentucky. So I like the Navy Flake with a little bit of rain, wind, chill. Just good stuff here. Well, I hope that you all do well. May God bless you as you go throughout your day or evening. And as always, thank you for tuning in to Once Upon a Pipe.